Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Lupin Limited. You can see walk-in for position is production, quality control, quality assurance and maintenance. These walk-in are conducted at 17th to 19th May 2023 and time is 10:30 am to 3 pm and venue is Lupin Limited Mandideep. Coming to the education and qualification, B.Sc, M.Sc, Diploma Chemical, B.Pharma and M.Pharma and B.Tech Mechanical graduates apply to this position and experience is freshers and experienced candidates can apply to this position. Minimum 60% in highest education in must for candidates having less than 5 years experience and candidates who have given interview within last 6 months are not eligible for interview. Next, shortlisted candidates with the photography of all below documents will be given immediate offers. Updated CV and recent photograph and academic certificate, 10th, 12th graduation and PG and PAN card and Aadhaar card and self and family members. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video for job updates. Subscribe to YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.